Have you ever listened to Americans talk and heard strange vocabulary? In this series, I'm going to give you some of the most common and interesting words from the USA. I'm John, and today we're going to study American vocabulary. Whatchamacallit. Ben and Luke are in a garage. Ben has a broken bicycle and needs help. Luke, could you help me fix my bicycle? I don't know what to do. Sure, Ben. Let's take a look. What's wrong with it? Well, I'm not quite sure. It's either a problem with the pedal, the chain, or this whatchamacallit here could be broken. You mean the thing to inflate the tires? The air pump? Oh, yeah, that's the name. The pump. It's not working very well. It could be the problem. Well, hand me that thingamajig over there, and I'll try to fix it. Quiz time! What does whatchamacallit mean? Something you can't remember the name of? A part of a bike? A tool to fix things? A word with no meaning? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. Something you can't remember the name of. Teaching moment. Whatchamacallit is an informal term used when you can't remember the exact name of something. It's a funny but useful way to communicate. This comes directly from the sentence, "What do you call it?" Other versions are also funny, which include thingamajig, thingamabob, whoosy what's it. Examples. Hey, can you help me? Hand me that thing over there. What thing? What's the name? The whatchamacallit over there. You mean this thing? Yeah, that's it. Hand it over to me. I need to fix this. English extras. This is extra information from the video. Rewatch the video to learn more. Could you help me fix something? Help me fix is more common than help me to fix. After the verb help, we do not usually say to, like with other verbs. Let's take a look. Let's look at it. Inflate. Add air, the opposite of deflate. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.